Holy Moly, a custom motorcycle studio based in Lisbon, Portugal, has unveiled a new limited edition Baja Fairing Kit designed to radically transform the Yamaha Ténéré 700 into a Dakar-inspired rally machine. Limited to just 30 units worldwide, the kit targets riders who admire the T7's proven off-road performance, but have grown weary of its futuristic, angular alien front styling. With this release in early 2026, Holy Moly is clearly positioning itself at the intersection of nostalgia, exclusivity, and modern adventure bike culture. The Yamaha Ténéré 700 has earned a strong reputation for its mechanical simplicity and off-road capability, yet its contemporary design language is not universally loved. Holy Moly's Baja kit directly addresses this aesthetic divide by drawing inspiration from the iconic Dakar rally cars and motorcycles of the 1980s and 1990s. In doing so, the studio taps into a growing trend among adventure riders who seek a more analog, rally raid appearance rather than the high-tech, street-biased visuals seen on many modern adventure bikes. A key highlight of the kit is its visual identity, developed in collaboration with designer Sergio Almeida of WKND Customs. The Baja Fairing Kit is offered in 6 different retro decal schemes, each intended to evoke classic rally racing liveries. The standout option is the blue and white bodywork paired with gold wheels, a clear homage to the golden era of desert racing. This approach reinforces Holy Moly's focus on emotional design, where visual storytelling is as important as functional performance. Interestingly, the paint schemes also incorporate playful slogans and subtle humor, encouraging owners to embrace a more rebellious, do crazy things attitude with their machines. While this lighthearted branding adds personality, it also reflects a broader shift in the custom scene, where lifestyle messaging and individuality are increasingly used as selling points. For some purists, this may feel gimmicky, but for others, it strengthens the kit's appeal as a statement piece rather than a purely technical upgrade. Functionality, however, has not been ignored. Holy Moly maintains a bolt-on design philosophy, allowing owners to install the kit without extensive fabrication. The fairing integrates dual high-output LED headlights for improved nighttime visibility, addressing a common criticism of stock lighting on adventure bikes used in remote conditions. In addition, the space behind the fairing is designed to support navigation towers or GPS systems, making the kit relevant for riders who genuinely use their T7 for long-distance or rally-style riding. That said, the Baja Fairing Kit comes with a significant financial barrier. With a suggested retail price of $2,625, it is far from an impulse purchase. While the cost may be justified by low production numbers, custom design work, and exclusivity, it places the kit firmly in the realm of luxury customization. This raises the question of whether the Baja kit is aimed at serious rally enthusiasts or primarily at style-focused owners looking to stand out at bike nights and social media feeds. Ultimately, Holy Moly's Baja Fairing Kit represents a bold visual reinterpretation of the Ténéré 700, blending retro rally aesthetics with modern practicality. Its extreme scarcity ensures instant collector appeal, but it also limits its impact on the broader T7 community. For the lucky few who secure one, the kit offers a distinctive identity and a strong emotional link to Dakar heritage. For everyone else, it serves as a reminder that in today's adventure bike world, style and storytelling can be just as powerful as suspension travel and horsepower figures.